Oh.
This is a corn on the cob. It has been dried.
What are other things
And
you can use that
flavorful.
for?
Well, we can make it for Indian beadwork, or we can use it as an earring, or if you really want to be totally graphic and very nasty, there's other things that we can use this for, but we won't go into that demonstration because we're about to eat it. So, what we're going to do is going to put this dried, lovely, tasty piece of corn on the cob into the microwave and see how well it pops.
Woo! You're gonna have to record that part.
Come in. You can do it. I'm afraid the microwave's messing up my...
No, it's fine. Don't worry about that part. There's a Faraday cage on the grill microwave.
Is it going to pop?
Watch, it's not gonna...
It's gonna take a while.
Will it pop?
It's popcorn. You have to heat it up.
Logic is on for it.
2 minutes. It's not it. It's just for 2 minutes. That's all it takes.
Why did it not go?
It's going. You can see it.
Is it popping off?
Yeah, you can see it. Just walk pop it out.
Baby, look.
See?
Woo! Woo! It's working!
Mexican dipping corn.
Oh, I should really get a Mexican dipping cake for him.
Do they sell those? Do they sell them here?
Because you don't want
If
it
it
to
stops,
burn. That's
we
stop. I would leave it there. Because it's 3 seconds. It's
Yeah.
pop.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Woo!
That's awesome!
It popped!
No, get the cob out. If you
It's gonna
keep
be
carefully.
Yeah?
Yeah, it'll be hot.
Want a pot holder?
Well, probably have to use the one with the...
Use a fork or tongue.
Oh,
Just pull it out.
That's what she said.
Okay, Bebe. So explain to us what happened.
In our scientific experiment, we placed this piece of dried corn cob into the microwave and put it on for 2.5 minutes. As you can see, it did work. We got popcorn. However, we did not get all of the kernels off of the cob. How do you get all of the kernels off the cob? I don't know. But we are going to taste the final product.
Popcorn.
Tastes like popcorn to me.
Now how does it really taste?
Tastes good.
Just no butter or no anything?
Yeah. It's very plain.
Experiment.
Well, you could take off the popped ones and put it back in.